Friends, here we are developing a simple shell script. First, let me give the requirement. That is, develop a bash shell script to get the path or location of any package by reading the package name. That means you have to provide some input. That input is package name. And based on that input, you have to get the path of that package. And here we have one condition also, that is, display output as not found if package is not exist on your host. Now let me develop this shell script step by step. See, suppose here I have taken shell script name as get package path.sh, and the very first line I have taken as shebang line, that is mandatory. Then to find the location of any package, basically we have different commands like which and command, but we prefer command. So command -v and then your package name, let's say Nginx. Save it and run it. Or else if you want to find Docker package path, yes, you are getting it. But we should not hard code our package name inside our shell script. That we have to read to your shell script. I mean, you have to provide that as an input to your shell script. We have different ways to provide input for your shell script. Now here I am using command line arguments concept. That means while running my shell script, I can pass my required arguments in this way. Now if I pass Nginx, I have to get here Nginx path. If I pass Docker, I have to get Docker path. That means this value you have to consider inside your shell script. So anyway, this is command line argument, and that is first command line argument. That's why, see, what I am taking is inside our shell script I am taking one variable called package name equals to $1. Then this package name I am substituting here. Save it and run it. So suppose I am passing Nginx, you are getting Nginx path. If I pass, let's say Docker, you are getting Docker path. Suppose if I pass Ansible, you are getting Ansible path. That's fine. Now what I will do is, let's say I am uninstalling one of the package, let's say Nginx. So remove Nginx. So on our host we are uninstalling Nginx. Now if I pass, let's say Docker or Ansible, you are getting the paths. But if I pass now Nginx, you don't get it because just now we uninstalled that. So if it is not there, so I want to get output as not found. So how you can handle it? So if you remember, combination of logical AND and logical OR operators, then you can achieve this logic. See, if this command is succeeded means your required package is there. If this command is failed means your package is not there. That's why for this, see what I am doing. With logical AND operator, if this is succeeded means package is there. So that's why simply once again I am displaying this command so that you will get the output. Suppose if it is failed, that means your package is not there. So in that case, with the logical OR operator, I will display some output using echo command. Let's say package, whatever the input package, that is package name is not found. Now save it and run it. For Nginx, you are getting package Nginx is not found. Let's say if I run Ansible, you are getting Ansible path. But here you are getting 2 times your Ansible path because this command output and this command output. If it is succeeded, here also you will get one output. But I don't want to get any output from first command. If it is succeeded, I want to get output from this place. So in that case, here you can nullify your output. If you want to write for error also, you can write. Basically that is a best practice. If you want to write, you can. Now see, I am running just by passing Docker as you are getting. Ansible you are getting. Now if I pass Nginx, you are getting package Nginx is not found. That's it. And here I want to enhance somewhat your shell script. That is, suppose if Ansible or Docker package is found on your host, then you are getting directly a path. Instead of that, I want to get output like the package path is. So in that case, in this place, see how I am going to do it. Echo the path of your package, that is package name is, you can directly substitute your command output in your echo. That's it. Now let me run. The path of Ansible is, but for Nginx, yes, it's working fine. That's it. Okay, thank you.